Hi, my name is Jutiki Gunter and I'm the founder of Robotics for Fun. At Robotics for Fun, we teach students how to build and program robots. We started the program a number of years ago and we've worked with a lot of robotic kits in that time. The robotic kit people are most familiar with are Legos. Basically, the Grid Kit is a recyclable building kit.
My name is Alexander and I'm working on an Avatar helicopter gunship in the Grid Kit. I like the Grid Kit because it's much easier to work with than regular cardboard or Legos.
My name's Brian. I built this, I guess it's an airboat, but I really like the Grid Kit just because it's simple, easy to use. It doesn't take a lot of learning to use it. You can reuse the pieces, you can recycle the pieces when you're done so you don't create any waste. And it's just a really great product.
I'm seeing them do things that I haven't seen done with any other kit on the market. With your pledge, we'll be able to expand our product line and introduce a new recyclable building kit to the world. Thank you.